Now, this is the part 2 of the exercise sheet number 6, articles. Okay, ma'am has told you now that ma'am is going to share the articles exercise sheet into 2 parts. So this is the second part also. Okay, and we have discussed question number 1, question number 2 as well. Okay, now we are moving towards next question. Okay, let us see that. Now, question number 3 is spot the mistake in each of the sentence, then rewrite the sentence correctly, or rewrite it correctly. Okay, now you have to, what you have to do here, beta? Here some of the articles have been written mistaken, मतलब mistakenly only, or by with the mistake only they have written some of the articles, and you have to correct the article only. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कोई कोई जो आर्टिकल है बेटा वो गलती से लिख दिया है, तो आपको वो मिस्टेक को सुधार के you have to rewrite the sentence. Okay, now the Jane is a girl. मैंने ये चीज़ बताई थी बेटा कि बिफोर नेम्स वी आर नॉट सपोज टू ऐड द आर्टिकल. कोई भी नेम के पहले हम कभी भी आर्टिकल लगाते नहीं है. दैट्स अ रूल ऑफ आर्टिकल ओनली. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन से दैट जेन इज अ गर्ल. जेन एक लड़की का नाम है, ठीक है. एंड बिफोर दैट गर्ल्स नेम द हैज़ बिन गिवन टू यू विच इज इनकरेक्टली रिटन, जो गलत है. ओके, तो यू हैव टू करेक्ट द मिस्टेक एंड यू हैव टू राइट द sentence again. Okay, so here which like correction should be there? So we will write only Jane is a girl. This way we have to write to here, sorry, Jane. Jane is a गर्ल एंड फुल स्टॉप शुड बी दैट. दिस इज जे. हाँ बेटा, ये जे बनाया है मैम ने. तो जैन इज अ गर्ल. द शुड नॉट बी हियर, यहाँ पे द नहीं आएगा, ठीक है. चलो, और ताजमहल इज मेड ऑफ वाइट मार्बल. मैंने अभी बताया था दैट बिफोर ताजमहल विच आर्टिकल विल शुड कम बेटा? द आर्टिकल, बिकॉज ताजमहल इज अ स्पेसिफिक प्लेस. लेकिन यहाँ पे उसको कॉमन में लिख दिया ए, तो वी आर गोइंग टू करेक्ट इट. सो द ताजमहल इज मेड ऑफ white marble. This way we are going to write. So T should be capital. The Taj Mahal, TAJMAHAL, Mahal, Taj Mahal is made of. Then you have to repeat the sentence, beta. Okay, white marble. Okay, चलो. The sun gives an earth heat and light. यहाँ पे देखो, earth is a noun. Yeah, the sun is correctly written. Yes, sun is a specific star, and before that the article is that, which is correct. But here earth is also specific na, and before that which article should come? The article. But here mistakenly what article has been written? An article. So we are going to cut it and we are going to write which article beta? The article. Okay, chalo, let us write it. So the sun gives the earth heat and light. Full stop. Okay, this way you have to write. Now, I have a jacket and jacket is red. I have a jacket, which is correctly written because we are talking about a jacket for the first time. So a article will come. So here it is correct. But an jacket is red. Which kind of sentence is this? ये तो कोई sentence नहीं हुआ ना, because we are talking about the jacket for the second time. So here which article should come? कौन सा article आना चाहिए बेटा? The jacket है ना, but यहाँ पे an लिखा हुआ है, which is incorrect. So we are going to correct it. So here what should be written? I have a jacket, full stop, and then the jacket is red, full stop. Okay, chalo, let us move to the next question. Chalo, so here the Mumbai is a large city. Whenever we are writing any city's name or any state's name, before that article should not be coming. Article नहीं आना चाहिए, लेकिन यहाँ पे लिखा है the Mumbai, which is incorrect. So we are going to cut it and we are going to rewrite the sentence like Mumbai is a large city. That is the correct answer. सो हियर आपको द नहीं लिखना है. मुंबई इज अ लार्ज सिटी, फुल स्टॉप. ओके, चलो. शी हैड एन अम्ब्रेला, अ अम्ब्रेला इज पिंक. Here we are talking about an umbrella. N is correctly written because U is a vowel, तो vowel के आगे तो N आना ही चाहिए. That is correct. But here in the second sentence we are talking about umbrella for the second time. तो जब भी whenever we are talking about the thing for the second time, which article should be using, और कौन सा article use होना चाहिए बेटा? The article. But here an A has been written which is incorrect. So we are going to correct it. So we are going to rewrite the sentence. She had an umbrella and full stop. The umbrella is pink, full stop. Okay, chalo. The teacher asked for a homework. Now what should be here? तो टीचर इज आस्किंग फॉर अ होमवर्क. ओके, मीन्स जो टीचर ने होमवर्क दिया था उसी के बारे में टीचर बोलेंगी ना बाद में. नो डाउट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सम स्पेसिफिक टीचर हु हैज गिवन द होमवर्क. बट हियर द इज देयर बिफोर द टीचर विच इज करेक्ट. बट उन्होंने जो होमवर्क दिया था वो भी तो स्पेसिफिक हुआ ना. तो हियर somebody has written A which is incorrect because we are talking about some specific homework which the teacher has given. So homework becomes specific. So before specific items, what article we are writing? The article. So here also we are going to correct it. Okay, the teacher asked for the homework and full stop will be there. Okay, the teacher asked for the should be there before homework. Okay, chalo. Now we are moving towards the next question. Question number 8. He gave me one of N2 ice cream he had bought. Now here he gave me one of N2 ice cream. Here 2 ice should be there or what? क्या आएगा यहाँ पे बेटा? What should be here? Here also what has happened? यहाँ पे आइस अगर आप अपनी बुक में देखोगे ना, आइस क्रीम्स आर देयर. ठीक है, 2 आइस क्रीम्स, बट हियर आइस हैज बीन रिटन. सो ही गिव मी वन ऑफ N2 आइसक्रीम्स. यहाँ पे आप आइस की जगह पे आइसक्रीम्स ग्रेस करो बेटा, वो छपा नहीं है. पता नहीं क्यों इस शीट में इतनी सारी गलतियां हो गई है. सो ही गेव मी वन ऑफ द 2 आइसक्रीम्स बिकॉज हियर आइसक्रीम्स तो प्लूरल हुई बेटा, 2 आइसक्रीम है तो 2 आर द प्लूरल. एंड बिफोर प्लूरल हम कभी भी ए या एन तो लिखते नहीं है ना. सो व्हाट शुड बी रिटन हियर? द. एन नहीं होगा लेकिन वहां पे क्या होगा बेटा? द होगा. ठीक है, चलो. ही गेव मी वन ऑफ द 2 ice creams he had bought and full stop will be there. Okay beta, here ice creams में creams छपा नहीं है, that is why I have written, but no doubt I am going to share the fair exercise sheet with you without any mistake. ठीक है, मैं सारी mistakes को वापस से delete करके आपको fair exercise sheet भेज दूंगी. ठीक है, उसमें तो ये सारी गलतियां नहीं होंगी. चलो, now a principal scolded us मीन्स हियर जो प्रिंसिपल सर होंगे वो तो स्पेसिफिक होंगे ना, लेकिन ए हैज़ बिन रिटन की जिन्होंने बच्चों को डांटा होगा, स्कोल्ड किया होगा. तो हियर द प्रिंसिपल स्कोल्डेड अस. ठीक है, सो टी शुड बी कमिंग कैपिटल. द प्रिंसिपल scolded us and full stop should be there. Okay, chalo, we are moving to the next one. Did you like a sandwich I made? Here also we are talking about some specific sandwich which I made, जो मैंने बनाया था sandwich जो तेरे को पसंद आया. तो here also I am talking about the specific sandwich. तो the should be coming now or the should come, but here only A has been written which is incorrect, so we are going to correct it. So did you like the sandwich I made and question mark. Okay, chalo, we are going to the Bhubaneswar today. Bhubaneswar is the name of a city, so we are going to the Bhubaneswar today. So just as the same we have written the. मुंबई में हम लोग ने देखा ना that the should not come because before any city's name or state's name we should not write the as an article, है ना. तो यहाँ पे भी भुवनेश्वर is a city's name and before city's name the has been written, which is incorrect. So we are going to Bhubaneswar today. So this way only we have to write, we have to cut the here. हमको यहाँ से the निकाल देना पड़ेगा. तो we are going to Bhubaneswar. देखो उसका स्पेलिंग ठीक से लिखना. It has been given already. Today. And full stop. Okay, the will should not come. यहाँ पे the नहीं होगा. Now question number 12 is we saw a elephant on the way home. मतलब हमने रास्ते में एक एलिफेंट देखा. जब हम घर जा रहे थे तो हमने एक एलिफेंट देखा. बट बिफोर एलिफेंट विच आर्टिकल शुड कम. कौन सा आर्टिकल आना चाहिए. वी सॉ एन एलिफेंट ऑन द वे होम. तो वे होम ये राइट लिखा है बट यहाँ पे कौन सा आर्टिकल आना चाहिए बेटा. कौन सा आर्टिकल आना चाहिए. वेरी गुड. यहाँ पे कौन सा आर्टिकल आना चाहिए. एन. तो वी सो एन एलिफेंट ऑन द वे होम एंड फुल स्टॉप. मतलब घर जाते टाइम पे हमने एक एलिफेंट देखा. ओके चलो. सो इट इज अ like we are ending with the exercise sheet number 4. It is in 2 parts. Okay, so you have to watch it and you have to tell me the doubts on the next session. ठीक है. And you are going to write the whole exercise sheet in the notebook with all the changes. Don't forget to write the whole exercise sheet in the notebook. Okay, chalo, your ma'am is saying bye bye.